Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using SaleHoo. SaleHoo, found at SaleHoo.com, offers a comprehensive platform designed for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Whether you're a seasoned dropshipper or just starting out, SaleHoo provides resources and tools to help navigate the complexities of online selling. Their directory boasts over 8,000 verified suppliers, offering a vast selection of products at wholesale prices. This expansive network grants access to a diverse range of inventory, empowering you to curate a unique and profitable online store. A key feature of SaleHoo is their Market Research Lab, a powerful tool that allows you to identify trending products with high profit potential. This data-driven approach helps you make informed decisions about which products to sell, minimizing risk and maximizing your chances of success. Beyond just finding products, SaleHoo also provides training and support to help you build and grow your online business. From step-by-step guides to community forums, they offer a wealth of resources to assist you at every stage of your journey. SaleHoo isn't just for dropshipping, it also caters to wholesalers and those looking to source products for their brick-and-mortar stores. The platform offers a convenient way to connect with reliable suppliers, streamlining the procurement process. Whether your focus is online or offline retail, SaleHoo aims to simplify sourcing and empower your business growth. One of the things I particularly appreciate about SaleHoo is its user-friendly interface. Navigating the platform is intuitive and straightforward, making it easy to find the information and resources you need. This streamlined experience allows you to focus on the core aspects of your business, rather than getting bogged down in complicated software. So, if you're looking for a comprehensive platform to support your e-commerce endeavors, definitely check out SaleHoo at SaleHoo.com. Remember, all the links are in the description below.